L is the light that you bring to me, a glow that settles soft and free, a spark that dances when you're near, a warmth that whispers crystal clear. O is the one my heart runs to, the only truth I ever knew, the quiet place my soul can rest, the name that beats inside my chest. V is the vow I give to you, a velvet rhythm deep and true, a tender fire that never fades, a song that blooms in midnight shades. E is every breath you take, each moment that you help me make, a world that feels like something new, a dream that finally came through. Shaped in skies above and carved for us to live and love. And when the night grows quiet and slow, I feel your heartbeat's gentle glow, a little rhythm soft and true, a secret melody from you. And when the morning paints the air, your touch is sunlight, a golden warmth that pulls me in, a promise written on my skin. So let the letters spell it clear, in every breath you pull me near, for every line and every rhyme, you're the meaning every time. Love was made for skies like these, for whispered vows and easy breeze, for you and me in perfect tune, a quiet dance beneath the moon. And when the world feels loud and wild, your voice becomes my calm, my smile, a gentle hush, a steady beat, a place where storms and shadows meet. And when the days grow long and cold, your warmth is worth its weight in gold, a fire lit in winter's hand, a glow that only we understand. So let the letters fall again, like soft rain on a window pane, each one a vow, each one a sign, that you are yours and I am mine. And let the chorus rise once more, a tender echo at the door, a simple truth that still rings through, that love was shaped for me and you. And if the years should drift and bend, our melody will never end, for every note and every line still finds its way to your heart and mind.